welcome back to Overlanding. Today we're going to be unboxing our Anvil Overland product that we just got and ordered. So, heard a lot of good things about this company. Made in the USA, over in Illinois. Customer service was great. Contacted the owner on Facebook. There's military discount. Changed the shipment date and place because work had me going all over the place. So let's see how it turns out. You got your bar that'll go across your dash. And let's see all the goodies that we got. Package real good and tight. Everything out of this long box. If it wasn't for that bar, it would have been a lot smaller. Packaged up real nice. Some bar mounts. Ball mounts. This is a GoPro attachment that we're going to be using, so we could have the GoPro in front of us, videotaping while we're driving. And let's see what we got in here. So these two pieces right here attached to your handlebars to the main bar, and then some more clamps to hold down onto the bar, and one more package. So this is the main reason why we order it. I don't know about you guys inside your Jeep, but our phones are sliding all over the place. And we're always fighting on who has a phone inside a cup holder. So they make some nice billet aluminum phone holders, which the phone is currently being used for my live feed, but I'm gonna use you guys for a minute, show my GoPro. Look at that. Nice and rugged. It's held in place pretty tight. Love it. Today we're going to be installing an Anvil Overlanding bar system that mounts from your handlebars going across. And you can attach different mounts to it for cell phones, CB radio, GoPro mount. A lot of different things. The tools that you will need is going to be a 10mm socket. That way you could get in and take this bolt out. Since we're visiting Florida, I had to go to AutoZone last night and they let me use it inside the parking lot. I did not film that part. The other thing you're gonna need is a 5/32 Allen key, like so. It fits inside their bolts perfectly and you'll be able to strap everything together. Start out with their mounts that screw in, line it up into the hole, and they go in like so. Now I've been debating about drilling a hole inside these caps and putting the cap on tight and sliding it over so we don't have this hole, but I want to first install these and see how it goes. As you see, it's real easy. Now the driver's side, same thing, goes in, screws in. So next you get your bar, and then you get one of your sets of your angle bar mounts. And how this works is the bolt slides in one side perfectly flush where the bolt would lock in perfectly, and the other side has threaded screws. So you get that going a little bit, bring it up, and you want to have your Allen key, or in my case your tool, handy. Get your bar across, and I'm trying it out with one person to see if I could do it. If not, I'll go get the wife. Never help me. But you don't want to go too tight, just in case you need some play on the other side. So. A little snug. As you see, the bar is getting held by itself. Now let's go to the other side. So we're on this side, same thing. Pre-assemble. Your corner bracket. Always want to get everything finger started, that way you don't cross thread anything. And then we're going to slide them together. So this bar needs to slide in a little bit. And there we go. That's on. Now we can snug up both sides. Yep. Remember, everything's aluminum, so don't get it too tight. One chugga chugga, two chugga chugga is fine. Now you got the bar mounted. That looks nice. Now you're ready for your attachments. We were doing phone mounts, so here's a phone mount right here. Comes with a ball.
Oh shit!
That was my wife, and the sprinklers turned on and got her. So let me close those windows before it gets the Jeep too bad. But I love how she makes surprise entrances. So take your bolt, slide it in. And this one looks like you're not going to be able to finger start it so easily. So you come in and just start with your hand, turning it on. Now that it's on a little bit, you come in with your power tool or whatever you're using and zip it down. That way it's nice and tight. So I'm going to do a power tool. And remember, not too tight again, because you don't want to strip the aluminum. So now that we got it tight, come over and we grab the bar mounting system that also attaches to the ball. Male and female end. Put it in here. Get the thread started. So this is going to be my cell phone mount. Looks like the bar is just a little thicker than the bolt all the way through. So come in. And of course you could put this how you want it, where you want it, how you're going to mount your phone. That looks good for me. I have my phone sideways. Sometimes when you use other people's tools, they're not the best. Let's do it like this. Get it started. Now she started. It's easy reach for me, doesn't block anything. Couple chugga chuggers, and there you go. we got a mount, which wasn't completely tight. So if she's tight, let's adjust that a little bit. I like the look of it. So there we go, we got it mounted now, and holds the cell phone pretty well. Oh yeah, easy in and out. We got the XL, so not bad. Yep, I'm happy with it. And that's pretty much how you install them. Then you just attach all the other attachments as you go, wherever you want. We're going to do 2 of these, one for me, one for the wife. That way our cords could just run up and plug in right here on the bottom, and I have everything all holded up, junked up in here.